What's passive income? Passive income is income you earn consistently without being actively involved. It's not your full-time job. Ideally, it's money you can make while you're sleeping. But that's not to say it's income that takes zero work. Passive income usually requires work and effort up front, getting it set up and running. Once it's set up, it can make you money while you sit back and relax. So the idea of passive income is that you can make money with very little daily upkeep. Here are some passive income ideas for you to consider. Ebooks, selling stock photos, cashback rewards cards, dividend-paying stocks, affiliate marketing, music licensing, ads on blogs, YouTube, websites, app sales, printable art sales, online courses, jingles or audio tracks, renting space, storage, rooms, or selling your clothes. If you want to get paid continuously for work you did once, passive income might be something you should look into.